Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change the pay period in QuickBooks Online for accurate payroll management. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your QuickBooks account is you will go ahead and log in, and then you will look for the payroll feature, and then you will just have to click that. And then after you click payroll, you will see employees. So click that as well, and then you will go ahead and click payroll settings. Then what you will have to do after you click payroll settings is you will look for pay schedules, which is like that. And after that, you will just have to select the existing pay schedule, and then you will click edit. Then after that, you will just have to choose the new pay frequency, which could be weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly. And after all that, you will just have to update the pay dates and the effective date, and then just click save. And by the way, take note that you could also notify employees of the change to avoid confusion. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.